what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your belly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up.
Hi girlies, it's Jazz. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video, y'all see that title, 2025, I'm talking to you, gotta learn how to do your makeup. Like, babe, what are we doing here? So all that being said, we're heading to Ulta to get the best and affordable makeup to build your makeup kit, but still keeping it, you know, beginner friendly and affordable because we don't want to break the bank, okay? So come on, let's build our kit. First, we need our bag because what are we doing without our bag? Guys, this hair is so tammy and it's from Love Me. Like, literally, Anyways, it's back to what we need to get. I made a list, but I'm like, this Ulta's low-key small, so I don't have everything that I want, which is fine because now I can only focus on the select items, you know what I mean? So, okay, first thing first is primer, and I normally don't use primer. I've been using primer. When your skin prep is tea, primer is not even gonna matter, so that's a tip. When your skin prep is tea, primer is not gonna matter. But for you guys, where's NYX primer? Because I want to try that and I never tried it. I'm so sick of e.l.f. primer. Let's try something a little different. Excuse me. Hey.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good.
Do you guys have the NYX primer here?
Which one are you looking
Like,
for?
is it was that NYX? It's like the glue.
Oh, the blue one? Yeah, it's right over here.
Where? Did I just pass it?
We have it at the front of the room.
Okay.
Right here.
Where? Oh, look, you guys, we found it.
Huh?
Want to have
Oh,
my
yeah,
wall?
sure. Hi.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I heard great things about this and I want to try it, so let's go ahead and grab it. Who's that? Oh my gosh! Hi! I literally caught you in my vlog, so you already on it. You look beautiful, so it don't matter. Say hi! Period. What's your at? We got our NYX. This is actually pretty small, so let's go ahead and put this in our bag. Okay, what's next? Next is foundation. I'm not gonna lie, I'm right in front of the Maybelline, but that one breaks me out every single time, so I'm not even gonna get it. Don't get it, I'm not gonna get it, but it breaks me out every single time. I'm going to get the L'Oreal True Match, and I want to shade match myself, but I low-key don't feel like doing that. So maybe I just like take a nice like guess, you know what I'm saying? But that's so risky though. What should I do? What should I do? Not gonna lie, I low-key feel like this is my shade, but they don't even have it. And that looks too dark, so I'm just gonna like try the L'Oreal, this one. Let's get this one, who cares? I think this will match me. I don't know. Not gonna lie, it was giving orange, so I'm gonna just pass on that. But I am going to try the Morphe's one, because Morphe is that girl, okay? Okay, I want to do like a natural, so let's do like the natural one. Okay, I'm gonna try to match myself. This is shade Rich 27. Ooh, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. Let's just get it. Let's just get it. Boom, we got our foundation, we got our primer. Now we need to do our concealer. And since we're in the Morphe area, I do really love these new concealers they dropped. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I have it on and I have a video about it. Well, I'm gonna just share up here, but. And when I say blend like butter, it literally just melts into my skin. It literally just sits in my creases, but literally it has not done that yet. These are like some really good affordable concealers. Like, it just blends so well and it's so hydrating. I'm not gonna lie, I have like a few of these shades, so I'm not gonna get them, but y'all get them, okay? Y'all need to get them. Okay, babes, we got concealer, foundation, primer. They putting a Aaliyah in here, that's my jam. But foundation, concealer, primer. Now setting powder. I love doing me a press and then loose, so I want to try the Julia's Place. Ooh, never mind, that's $25. That baby, no ma'am, no turkey, okay? So we're gonna just stick to something a little more cheaper. 25. I might as well go to Sephora, okay? And you know what, Maybelline is actually a really good brand for like press and loose. So press, we're doing the Maybelline Fit Me. Oops. That in our bag. And then for loose, I wanted to do the loose one, but I like already have it. I want to try something a little different, you know, but I'm still gonna grab it because I'm not sure what shade I have. So I'm gonna get, let's do medium deep. Yeah, medium deep. Okay, now we got a flawless under eye. Now for the brows, if you know, you know I love my brows to look glued and laminated. So where we're at, NYX. I'm actually gonna go in with the NYX brow gel. I used to use it, I still like it. So where is it at? Oh my god, it's only the ones that have color, and I don't want ones that have color. With that being said, I'm still gonna get their brow pencil because these are some really good pencils, and I'm going to get this in the shade Espresso because my brows are not like that dark either. So got this in the shade Espresso. Oh my gosh, forgot. Elf has brow gel. Elf has brow gel. It's literally right in front of my eyes. Like, where is it at? Hold up, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Y'all not have it either? Oh no, it's right here. Period. Let's get this. Yeah, we're gonna get this one, the brow lift. Yep, $6 too. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Brows check. Now on to the next list is going to be blush. Yeah, I know I love me some pink blush, so where's that? Okay, when it comes to my blush, I like a cream blush, so I'm gonna do the Elf Putty blush. This is in the shade, what shade is this? Bora Bora. Let's do that. But I hopefully don't give like a white cast. You know how some blushes get like a white, like base or white cast? We don't want that. So I'm actually gonna find a powder blush too, because you gotta have a powder blush, you have to. And I think I'm going to do the NYX. NYX blushes. These are really good blushes, you guys, like literally. I say powder because after you go in with your concealer and you set your under eye and all that stuff, sometimes the color could like be sometimes the blush could fade away. That's why I go back in with powder blush. So yeah, but I'm not seeing, I have the Juvia's Place one, so maybe I'll just keep that one instead of like buying a new one because that's also really affordable too. Now my favorite part, this lip combo is actually drugstore. This lip liner is the new Morphe Passionate Plum, and it's such a beautiful like plum. And then the lip gloss is also NYX. So that being said, I think I want to do like a nice like brown or maybe berry. Yeah, let's do berry. Now, these are really good lip liners, but I don't like how it's retractable because once you use it, you can't like get more out of it, and you get like a nice few like 3, 4, 5 wears out of it. So keep that in mind when getting a retractable lip liner. So that's why I stick to mainly like the pencil ones. These ones last way longer than these ones. Not gonna lie, we're gonna do brown because the berry or plum is literally not, it's giving red. It's giving red. So let's do like a nice cute little brown. A brown, you can never go wrong with like a nice brown lip combo. So I'm gonna actually do NYX in the shade Espresso. I'm just winging it out. Hopefully this is like my right shade, but it shouldn't be bad. And now when it comes to my lippies, I love the NYX lip glosses, but I like lipstick now. I'm getting to like my grown woman era. Just kidding, but no. I'm gonna do a lipstick and then a lip gloss as well. You know, because if you know this. I'm gonna actually get, this is in the shade, don't know how to pronounce, but I'm gonna get this one. Actually, no. Actually, yes. Yeah, let's get this shade. Okay, to make it a little simpler, let me not like go too crazy. Let's just do a lip gloss, okay? Lip liner and lip gloss. So I'm going to actually get 2 lip glosses because buy one, get one 50% off, okay? I'm going to do Fortune Cookie. Yep. And then I'm also going to do, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but this is such a really pretty pink. Literally, it matches my phone. So I'm going to get those 2. I already have this one, but I'm going to get Fortune Cookie again. Lost it. Lips, check, okay? Now for bronzer, I'm going to go in and get the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzer. I am not a contour person, but that's okay. So we're going to do this shade. It looks nice and warm for me. And make sure you have bronzer because you don't want to look too like, you know, make sure you have bronzer. And then when it comes to setting spray, make sure you have setting spray because you want your makeup to look all melted together. We're going to go in with the Milani Make It Last. This one. And I think we have everything, but let's double check. Okay, primer, foundation, concealer, I have that at home, setting powder, pressed powder, bronzer, eyebrow gel, eyebrow pencil, and the lip pencil and lip gloss. So we got everything. Let's go ring up. While I'm here, I need to grab some pimple patches, so I'm going to grab the Peach Slices one. But I'm not gonna lie, every time I use a pimple patch, I feel like I scar more, but I need to get these bumps. You probably can't see, but them off my face. I'm gonna get this one. This is the Dark Spot Micro Dots. Now to the checkout line we go. I can secure it, and I'm not even gonna lie, for $113 for a full face at Ulta, that's not bad. Nah, that's not bad, because at Sephora, babe, $113 is like 2 products. So y'all let me know what y'all think, 'cause I don't think it's bad at all. Hopefully this video helped and it wasn't too complicated. I feel like this is literally everything you need for a full face. Nothing more, nothing less. These are all really great products that I recommend as well. I got around 7 or 8 products, and that just shows that you really don't need tons and tons of makeup for a full face. So I did try to keep it to a minimum, not too many products. But stay tuned for my next video. I will be doing a full face full of all of these products, so make sure you're tuned in and you're subscribed. I will see you all on my next video. See ya.